see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Kagabi wala akong tulog. Ako dito ng bucket na may nandito sa dishwasher yung kanilang. And gagamit ako na frother. It's ready. Rin ako na. So ayan at big one. Ayan yung at. Guys, hindi ako nag-vlog today, pero ipapakita ko sa inyo yung dinner namin. Today is Monday, May 10. Ayan yung dinner namin. Ito yung mac and cheese. Tapos, lugaw na may beef, tapos itlog. So, yan yung dinner namin, guys. Kain! Huh? I know, that's why I cooked that one, because our baby's so sick. What do you think of my mac and cheese sack?
It's from the US kids when Teja had his pump.
Is it the same, or which one is better?
That one's just.
Ano?
It's just better.
What do you mean, just better?
That one's just better.
So,
Because it's more cooked.
more cheesy? Pangalawa niya na yan, oh. Yan yung natikman namin nung nag-golf si Kuya sa Melbourne. Nung kumain kami, kung maalala nyo. How is it, honey? Good? Okay, guys, kain na kami.
Bye-bye.
Good night. Love you too. Good night. Ayan.
Pack up that for you, kids.
Good night, kids. Ayan yung natira sa table, guys. Ako kasi kumain pa ako ng atis. Si Kuya naka 3 bowls. 3 bowls, yeah? Okay, good night. Mwah. 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 Love you. Good night, good night, good night. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Alis tayo. Punta tayo ng Mount kasi may kukunin tayo. Today is, what day today, Baba? Today's Wednesday. And it is May 12. And siya, umuubo pa siya, pero at least, oh, ayan. Ano na, sana maalis na yung ubo niya. Yung lagnat niya, bumaba na.
I ran out of water.
Yeah. Uminom siya ng maraming tubig. Okay, ayusin ko lang yung buhok niya.
water.
Yeah, okay, come on, turn around. Okay. And, crossbody bag po siya. Are you bringing that?
Yes.
Alright, come on. Ito pala yung inispray ko sa buhok niya para maalis yung mga buhol-buhol niya. Ayan.
Why we buy this?
For your hair, remember?
Yeah, why
and
we buy
ito yung nabili natin sa Bath and Body Works. Ito yung
We
kanyang
buy that from
pabango.
Melbourne.
Yeah, pabango for today. Ito yung Magic in the Air.
Where do
Ayan, Magic in the Air.
Where do we buy that?
For your hair nga. Come on.
Like this.
Inispray ko na. Come on. Ayan, naayusan na natin siya. Painumin ko lang siya ng gamot. Then, alis na kami. Okay, let's go.
Is that water? Is that water? Yeah. Oh, there was that kind of one.
Ayaw niya yung
The gray one tastes
Etong-
like wheat.
Itong cough medicine, ayaw niya kasi parang lasang wee-wee daw. It's disgusting, but you have to...
We tried that one before.
Okay, come on.
Yeah. I don't want to drink it.
Come on. Open. Okay, swallow.
I still try to taste.
Ito 7
I hate
ml.
Don't like it. I like that one.
And hindi pala namin siya pinapasok nung Tuesday tsaka ngayon. Tapos bukas may half day siya, hindi rin siya
That one
papasok.
tastes like strawberry.
Yes. So absent siya this week. Okay. Drink a lot of water. And get your shoes and we're going. And ito na yung ating OOTDs. Naka Under Armour, Under Armour tayong jumper and Adidas. Ayan, tapos mag-sneaker. Okay, let's go. Guys, dito na tayo sa town. Dito tayo pupunta sa my Kmart. Kasi kung maalala nyo, pina-repair ko yung aking...
She's old phone.
Yeah, yung old phone ko. So, tinawagan nila ako kahapon na
sell it.
ready. No, I'm not gonna sell it. Pwede raw pick upin. And then, Yung camera ko, tinawagan ko kahapon kasi wala pa akong naririnig sa kanila. Ang sabi, wala pa raw silang naririnig doon sa technician ng Canon. And sabi din nila, magbabayad ako ng $75 para sa pag-coat ng kung magkano. Pero hindi pa nila sinasabi sa akin kung magkano nga. Kasi wala pa raw silang balita. Pero whether na i-fix or hindi, magbabayad ako ng $75 kasi sinend nila doon. Yeah?
Yeah, same glasses.
Yes, look. Naka-shades din siya. Okay, let's go. Okay, here,
I hate
come on.
glasses.
Come on. Dito tayo, guys. Baba! Hoy, here. So, ito na yung ating phone. Is it on? Okay.
Yes.
Ayan na, hindi na siya basag, guys. So, 350 siya, guys. Baby! Dito tayo sa Kmart kasi si Kuya gusto niya ulit magpabili ng underwears. Yung nabili ko ba sa ano? Saan ko ba yung nabili? Basta nabilang ko si Kuya before sa Melbourne. Kmart din yun. Mali tayo. Hindi dito baba. Hindi dito yung mga underwears. So, nagustuhan ni Kuya yun. So, sabi niya, bilhan ko ulit ito. And Daddy? I don't think so. Hindi pa kayo nakakahanap. Nandito na yung mga underwears para sa mga bata. Nakita to ni Holly. Gusto niya rin gayahin yung akin. That one? Mainit na kaya sa bahay. How about pink? Like mommy. Mainit na nga sa bahay kasi 'di ba? Naka-ano na yung heater na. Hindi ko pa yata sa inyo napakita. Sinindihan na ni Jan yung aming heater, yung wood ba?
I like these.
You like that one better? Alright. So, ito lang gusto niya. Oh, this is for boys.
Boys?
Yeah, see, boys. So, this is for boys. So, this is for girls. See, girls. Yeah, okay?
What are these ones?
That's for girls.
I want this one.
This is girls. You want this?
This
Yeah, they're big. They're big. Yeah, they're big. Let me see. This one, it's alright. Okay? Come on. Gaya guys sa akin. Huh? No, that's alright, Papa. You don't want this one? 9 to 12. This is... Okay. Yeah, 5 to 8.
Thank you.
Pinalitan niya kasi eto, 9 to 12 yung nakuha namin.
So,
Yeah, okay.
now I have the same like you.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, alright, let's go. Oh yeah, this is girls. Kasi ang gusto ni ko yung may ganito ba, yung may Monday to Sunday.
And these are girls.
Yeah, this is for girls. Nahanap namin siya, guys. Andito siya. Ito yung Monday. Yeah, this is Monday to Sunday. Kay Kuya yung size niya is 10 to 12. So isa na lang yung natitira. Hold this, Baba. And kay Sak 8 to 10. Okay.
So is that one is that?
Who?
Is that?
Yes, okay.
And this one at the back is going to.
Okay, let's go. Yeah.
Oh, look at
So, tapos na kami sa Kmart. Punta tayo dito sa Foodland kasi yung mga bata gustong-gusto yung rocket na apples. Yeah, what? And may cart na kami pala ni Holly, oh. Kasi may mga binili pa ako sa Kmart. Okay. Diba, kung maalala nyo, gustong-gusto ng mga bata yung rocket na apples. Ayan. Andito, mura lang siya, oh. Sobrang sarap. Sobrang sweet and crunchy nito. The best siyang apple. Get to, Baba.
I think what
And $2.99 lang siya. May cart na kami dito. From Kmart. Are you sure? Okay. Oh. Kuha rin ako ng panko. Breadcrumbs. Tapos ako sa food lang. Pasok kayo dito sa Best and Less. Ayan. Best and Less tayo. Come on, Baba. Hanapan natin si Holly ng pajamas. Yes. That's cute. Tingin muna tayo. Lakas maka-copyright ng music nila dito. So, tingin muna tayo. So, ngayon, naghahanap naman siya ng socks. No, not that one, Baba. That's not for school.
I'll get you.
What, this one?
Yeah, I'll get you.
Alright.
Guys, today Mom is trying that out for shower. When we get out of the shower, we're gonna wear that. So guys, Mom is just getting that. And we have the same light. We have that one. That one's mine. That one's Mom's.
Are you a good girl?
Yes.
Bilhin ko to sa kanya kasi gustong-gusto niya eh. Tapos na tayo dito sa Kmart.
So hot inside here.
Hot here but outside is cold. So nakuha natin yung phone. Pero alam niyo ba yung phone, guys? Ano, na-delete daw lahat ng ano. Walang
Where is it?
na-save na. Wala. Parang bago siya. So lahat, ay hindi, sana yun.
What's your phone?
Ito, yung mga pictures na wala na raw, sabi ng babae.
It's new.
So wala na yung mga old photos ko
I
talaga.
like
Wala na siya, yung mga photos.
We can take more photos.
Naayos lang talaga siya, napalitan ng screen.
Why it's not working?
Pero wala na yung mga photos,
Daddy, the
videos.
password.
No, not yet. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go. Punta tayo ng Baker's Delight and then sa Butcher. Yun na yung next natin na gagawin din uwi. Ang saya niya, oh. Ano, ang dami niya kasing dala. Dala niya si Mushi tsaka si Pokemon.
Polka dot.
No, Pokemon ang tawag yan, Pokedot.
Well, I'm calling a polka dot.
That's Pokemon. Okay, dito na tayo sa Baker's Delight.
I'm hungry already.
You're hungry?
Yep.
Okay. No, it's a fruit. Okay, come on. Thank you. Say thank you. See ya. Okay, tapos na tayo. Dito mainit-init pa yung sliced bread. Dito na tayo sa butcher. Yan yung butcher na kinukuhaan ko ng steak ni Jan. Okay, go. Don't touch that, Papa. Then. Hi. Thank you. You too. Okay, tapos na tayo dito. Okay, come on. Holly, don't touch your face. Come on. Come on. Open the door. Open the door. Come on. Thank you. Kasi yan yung dala ko, guys. Oh. Alright, open. Dito na kami sa labas ng bahay. Si Holly nakatulog. And si Jan, busy rin siya whippersnapper. Nagkakat siya ng grass. She sleep, honey. She sleep.
Showcase.
Baba, we're here. Baba. No, she's oh yeah.
Melon, get out.
Show Daddy what you got.
Have you got something in nice jumper, Baba?
Oh, what's that?
Oh. Yeah, what are you
So
doing?
dito tayo sa bahay, guys. Lumabas lang ako kasi si Jan, ayan. So, pinagbubunot niya yung mga
No, I just saw
damo-damo. What's that, Baba? Let's put away the meat. Come on. Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna do a hole.
I-haul ko yung mga nabili ko. Ito yung mga meat na nabili ko sa butcher. Unahin ko na to. And ito na lang pala kasi nandito na. Ito yung carpet. Bumili ako ng carpet sa
Bedroom.
sa bedroom. Rug, na carpet. Rug sa Kmart kasi nga yung carpet namin, plano namin siyang papalitan pero hindi pa ngayon. So, habang hindi pa pinapalitan, ito muna ang ilalagay natin. Mamaya ilalagay ko yung rug na
You
yan.
didn't like an old carpet.
No, we don't hear that one. So, ito yung mga meat.
Big.
This
Meat.
is, no, scotch. So, bumili ako ng, ilang ba ito? 4 scotch. Steak.
Say.
1, 2, 3,
How many you got?
4. 4 scotch. And then isang kilong.
What is that?
This is barbecue steak. So, isang kilo nito. And then,
these.
yes. Yan. Gusto niya. Tapos, ito yung schnitzel na chicken. Yeah. Ilan bang binili ko ito? Dalawa. Dalawa nito. And, tatlong chicken schnitzel. Then, eto beef. Kasi yung mga bata, mas gusto nila yung chicken. No, don't open it yet. Yung mga bata, mas gusto nila yung chicken kaysa beef. So, may chicken and beef schnitzel tayo. Meron akong, ilang bang schnitzel na beef? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 na schnitzel na beef and then tatlong
They look like rice.
chicken. And, eto naman, steak din to, pero eto naman is rump steak. So, kumuha ko ng
Steak you got?
dalawa. 2. And, hindi ako nag-grocery ngayon kasi meron pa akong mga gulay. And, alis kami sa Saturday. Punta tayo ng Melbourne sa Saturday. So, bumili na ako ng egg sa butcher kasi no. Bobby, stop picking your nose.
Is it boiling?
Huh? No, no, no. It's raw. So, ayan. Ano lang to, isang dosena. Sa butcher ko rin yun nabili. And, bumili rin ako ng sausages. Ito, isang kilo siguro to.
Are we gonna have that for tea?
Basta yan, sausages.
We're gonna have that.
I think we're gonna have burgers. Kasi kahapon, nag-take away kami. Si Jan nag-steak. Tapos yung mga bata, nag-schnitzel.
Oh my gosh, we can't cook burgers.
This one. So, may burgers tayo. So, siguro ito yung dinner namin.
Yeah, buying it.
And, bumili ako ng, ito
Sauce.
yung sauce na sa cold noodles. Yung tangy sauce. And, bumili ako ng, natikman ko kasi ito sa, hindi ako bumibili nito, guys. Pero, nung pumunta kayo sa Robe, dun sa, kung saan nag-steak kila Gretel, eto, ako yung gumawa ng coleslaw. Tapos, ito yung linagay. So, pinahiwa niya sa akin ni May. Tapos, sabi niya, ilagay ko to. So, masarap siya. In fairness sa kanya, masarap. So, yung nagastos natin sa butcher, eto yung mga meat, at saka yung eggs, eto.
Cute little receipt.
$250.15. So, sa meat lang yan, guys. $250.
Is that it?
So, ilagay ko muna to sa freezer or tapos balik ako kasi meron pa tayong i-haul. Kasi eto, may mga binili ako sa kanya at sa mga bata. So, ilagay ko lang to sa malaking freezer. Then, balik ako. Okay? You're gonna open that one. But don't put it yet, okay?
I'm so excited.
DIOS, tell me who you see, 'cause